Okay, so hello guys. Now I am going to create generative AI app by using Ollama. Okay, so here I have credential and env files. Okay, so here I am going to load my env file that we can access credential from e.env file. Okay, we can access our personal information, I mean secret information that we can show publicly, we cannot show publicly, so we can put it in .env file. So here I am going to load this file by using this command. Okay, .env, from .env import load, and here we can call uh, load.env, so it can be load env in this file. Okay, so we are going to uh, import these libraries from LangChain underscore community dot LLM import Ollama. Okay, so I'm going to import Streamlit because I want to build front end by using Streamlit. Okay, so here I'm going to use chat from template, and here I'm going to use tr output parser. Okay, so chat from template, what is that prompt template? Okay, so here we can see. Okay, so chat prompt template, what is it? Used to create flexible template prompt for chat model. Okay, here we can see LangChain, it's chain, it's also chain. What is prompt template? Okay, so a prompt template is a redefined structure with placeholder for dynamic input that is used to consistently format prompt for AI model. Okay, uh, 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 uh. prompt template help to translate user input and parameter into an instruction for language. So you can see here, prompt template help to translate user input and parameters into instruction for a language model. Okay, so it provide I mean format for given input and parameters. This can be used to guide a model response. Okay, helping it understanding the context and generate the relevant and coherent language based output. Prompt template take a input a dictionary where each key parameter variable in the prompt template to fill in. Okay, so here I'm going to use chat prompt template. Okay, here you can see this is the chat prompt template. So like we can give a prompt to the system that system can understand, like you are a helpful AI bot, you can your name is so this is the input. Okay, so this is the human prompt, hello, how are you doing, and this is AI, I am doing well, thanks, and this is a human user input. Okay, so that we can create a chat prompt template that model can understand, human can understand, AI can also understand and give the proper response. Okay, so this is the prompt template. So here I'm going to create one prompt template. Okay, so this is my prompt template. Okay, prompt prompts equals to prompt template dot from message. Okay, so here this is the system based prompt template. You are a helpful assistant, please respond to the question asked. Okay, so this is for system and this is for user ask the question. Okay, after that I need to create a streamlit framework. So here st.title, you need to create title of like LangChain model, LangChain demo with Gemma model. Okay, so here this is the input. User need to enter input, I mean what's the question in his mind or in her mind. So you can ask from here while uploading the query. Okay, to the form. Okay, so here I'm going to use Ollama model Okay, so LLM equals to Ollama. Here I'm going to pass model equals to Gemma. Okay, so here these are the output parser, and here I'm going to create a chain means connectivity. It can connect prompts, LLM, and output parser. Okay, so output parser used to give a proper result in a accurate format or in string formats. If input text st.write chain.invoke, so here we got a answer. Okay, so now I want to run this. I am going to save this, and now I'm going to open my terminal. Okay, actually my system is very slow because I have downloaded Ollama in my machine, so this is not responding properly. Okay, so here, okay, okay, now I need to enter in project location, so I can see I have project location. Where is my file? So my file is in this one. I'm in this folder. So here I am going in this folder. CD equals to folder name. Here I also check where I have my files. So here I'm going to do CD folder name. Okay, so now I am in folder. Now I can also check I have this file in my code in my folder. Okay, so here I'm going to run what I'm going to run. Streamlit run app.py. I haven't used app.py, so I'm going to use streamlit run man.py because I'm using this file. Okay, so here I have URLs. Here I have open. It took some time because my machine has very lower configurations, and I don't have a very good machine with high GPU and stronger CPU and lots of storage. So I am using some small machine. So that's why it took some time. Now I'm waiting. Okay, guys, I think you got it. If you have any doubt, please ask in comment. Do comment, guys. Please do share, likes, and comments. Okay. So I'm going to explain again. These are the libraries I have imported. These are okay from line 1 to 7. Okay, and here this is the lang smith tracking. Okay, so we can track the question and answer from chatbot. Okay, so this is the prompt template that we get that we give a proper prompts to the system, and user will also give the proper prompt to the model. Okay, so here I'm going to create a streamlit framework, okay, for front end, and this is the model I'm using, gamma. 2 billion parameter. Okay, so that's why my laptop working very slowly. And this is the, if you input equals to text, then it will generate the answer. So here it's still not opening. Here I am going. I am going to run here again. I'm just copying and pasted a local host so that we can see our front end, it has error or not in code. It's still running. Now you can see a LangChain demo with Gemma. Okay, so you can ask the question, what's in your mind. So here, this is the title, LangChain demo with Gemma, and what is your question in your mind. Okay, so here you can ask the question, who is Trump? Okay, it took time. It okay guys, because we are working locally, we have downloaded model in local machine. That's why it took time, because I the model size is, I think I can check here, 4.6 GB. Okay, so that's why my machine is working slowly. Okay, if you have low configuration machine, then you don't need to install it, otherwise your machine Mm, otherwise your machine will show you its capacity or it working, it working very slowly. So who is Trump? I'm asking the question, what is the question in your mind. So have, so I'm asking the question, who is the Trump. So this will give a former United President Donald Trump, served from 2017 to 2021. Okay, so this will give answer like that. And if you what is AI, what is AI, so it will also, it takes some time, because this will run the gamma model inside the environment. Okay, so here, what is AI, again it will took time. Here you can see in terminal. Okay, it said Ollama was deprecating LangChain. Okay, so we need to another. Okay, we will update, because LangChain updating daily. I mean, It also updated in September. Now it will also update in October. So this is not a fixed. Um, I mean, this is the fixed. This is not a fixed document of LangChain. So you can update. Uh, so here this is the response in terminal. Okay, here you can see the llama model is running behind it. After this I'm going to uninstall this Ollama, sorry, Ollama, not llama, because my machine is not working properly. You can see here, like if you want to search, here we can search LangChain. Do Google search. Now click on LangChain. This is the documents. Okay guys, you can search by your own. Okay, so now this is working. Okay, I haven't any error from this model by using Gemma from Ollama. Okay, so this will generate the answer here and give us what is AI. So this is the input and output is artificial intelligence. This one. Okay. Okay, guys. Bye bye. Take care. So I'm going to show you these document will be deprecated and no longer maintained with the release of LangChain v10 in October 2025. Visit the V alpha document. This also deprecated. So guys, this is not a fix. We will give you update uh, on this. Like they changes different libraries and they update again and again and